everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the December VillaBeautifful kit Celebrate. So let's get started. So as always, let's start off with a flip through of these beautiful papers. This is a separate purchase. Whenever you go to get your kits, in the pre-order section, it'll say a basic kit or a basic kit plus paper pack add-on. And if you like to make your own dividers, dashboards, covers, do any kind of paper crafting, you want to be sure to grab the paper pack add-on as soon as those kits are listed. They go really fast. I love this bow print sheet and the back with the brush strokes and the pretty confetti sprinkles here. This is my favorite of the four. And in addition to getting these 4 8.5 by 11-inch double-sided cardstock decorative papers, you also get 2 specialty papers with your paper pack. This is a really nice floral vellum. And then we have another vellum sheet that is triangle confetti. And now we're going to open up this stunning shaker pouch and get a better look at what's inside. And a better look at the stunning shaker pouch that all of the basic kit items come in. Got a really nice zipper closure. It is transparent with some really pretty iridescent sprinkles inside to shake around and keep all of your contents looking gorgeous. All right, let's flip through the journaling card pack. You get 5 cards total, and they all feature really gorgeous holographic foiling. First up, we have a Hello 2019 cake, some really pretty bow balloons, a quote card that says, "Dear Future, I'm ready." I love that banner at the top. Let's Sparkle, and it's got the foiled confetti. The best is yet to come. And I'm really excited about this kit. I know it's Celebrate themed and meant for probably New Year's Eve, but my birthday is in less than 2 weeks. So I'm really, really excited to use this for that because all of the elements are so perfect for a birthday kit too. Next up is this pretty pack of Dangle Charm paper clips. We get 2. First one featuring a star wand and the second one featuring a bow charm. I love the accent colors used on these. And here they are outside of the packaging. I'm really loving that shine coming off of the larger iridescent charms. This is just such a beautiful combination. Next up, we have this month's sticky note pack, and I believe Tiffany said that this is the first sticky note design she's done where it has combined a color background with a foiling, so that's just a really special addition to this kit. I love how the holographic foil pops on this watercolor ombre background, and it's not going to look just great with this kit, it's going to look great with any kind of galaxy or celestial themed kits too. These colors are just perfect for that. Next up, we have our pack of adhesive corner pockets. These have become a quick favorite ever since Tiffany introduced them to her kids. I love these. So we've got a quote one that says "Dream Big" with some pretty balloons. Already my favorite, already know. Look at this color, the foiling, the design, everything. Love this one. And we've got a navy quote one that says "Special Things" with the pretty bow banners here. These are so fun. Now the hardest part for me is picking out which of the VB papers to pair them with when I make my dashboards. Like all of these would look good, but I think the blue one would look best. So for this one, I would take my paper trimmer and cut it down to 5 by 7 inches, which is a size for a B6 traveler's notebook that I use. And then I would run it through the laminator just because with a chunky planner, I don't want to take the risk of it being extra wrinkled or crumpled or anything. And then I would simply peel the back off of here, and this is a tacky sticky back, and put it right down on there and have a really gorgeous foiled pocket dashboard for my planner. Next up, we have this month's VillaBeautifful Washi Card, again with that stunning holographic foil and some more of those banners that I love so much. These are really simple to use too. So obviously the VillaBeautifful kits come with Washi Tape, so those are a given to add those on. But if you have any more themed tapes, maybe some holographic foil tapes you want to add, just stack those on however many will fit, wrap it around over and over until it's as thick or as thin as you like it, and then you have a really nice way to carry around all of your favorite washi samples. Now if you use a ring planner, they are already punched at the bottom for your convenience, so you can just pop those right in. And if not, if you use a traveler's notebook or any other kind of planner, then you can slip them into your front or side pockets, into a dashboard with the nice pockets that Tiffany has so graciously supplied us with. And just have them sitting over there too. Just lots of great ways to keep your tapes with you on the go. And speaking of washi tapes, let's dive into this month's selection. You get a skinny and a standard size. Let's get a close-up of this really pretty bow pattern on the standard size, and then the star confetti on the skinniest size. Again, with these colors, she is killing this kit. Oh my goodness, and the foiling. Let me take them out of the package real quick so you can get a better look. And this is a look at the skinny tape unwrapped. I am definitely team open when it comes to washi tape because I think it just looks so much better out of the package and you can really get a good look at all of the details. And this is the unrolled bow tape. You can really get a good look at that foiling and see the hues of the pinks and purples on the watercolor background. Looks so pretty. Next up, we have this month's sticker book. We've got the date in this corner and the kit name in this corner for easy organizing. And then our first page is the full boxes. Lots of great foiling on here. Bring those up close. And I'll try and do a little wiggle so you can see where the foiling is on these boxes. Love this one and this one. These two really feature my favorite elements and colors from this kit. Next up, we have this sheet of circle icons and Build-Do stickers. So I'll get you a close-up of those. I love that you can stretch these kits just to last weeks and weeks because there's so many stickers to work with. And then we have some full box checkboards or clipboards here, a weekly tracker here, and again, the foiling on all of them is really pretty. And then a full sheet of half boxes. I love these with the bows on the corner. Sorry, my lighting's kind of going out, but I want to make sure that I'm showing off where all that beautiful foil is. And then here we have some headers and washi labels. Ooh, these are nice. I like those. And this one has a really pretty foil on it. It's going to be a fun weekend. And then we've got a full sheet of deco and a few phrases here. There's Luca. And then a full line of fashion girls down at the bottom. And we've got 2 date covers, some arrows and tabs. I'm not really sure which one of these I'll be using first. I really like these though. They have the bows at the top. Definitely this is gonna be a 2-week kit for sure. Oh, I love these two. She is just getting better and better with every single kit. I mean, I always see people in the different planner Facebook groups asking which kit they should try, you know, to get the most bang for their buck. It's VillaBeautifful, hands down. I mean, she includes so much, not to mention the digital files that come with every kit as well, so you can continue to make coordinating items for every kit for as long as you want. I mean, it's just so much value, and it's all gorgeous. Our next item is a new addition to this kit. It is a pack of adhesive iridescent sheets. So let's see if I can get it to catch right. You'll see the really pretty rainbows that come up with it. So these are full adhesive sheets. You just find something that you want to add this really pretty sheen to, stick it on there, cut it out, and well, let's see if I can give you a quick demonstration. Okay, so you're gonna want to peel the corners up, and this is fully adhesive. Now, a lot of people would stick it on there, but I tend to get like wrinkles when I do projects with papers like this. So first I'm gonna try to lay it down flat. Then I'm going to take one of this month's journaling cards and just lay it flat on there. I think that this helps combat some of the wrinkles that come if you try to lay it down slowly on the top. Okay, so that's what it looks like with it on. And then I'm going to grab some scissors and trim around it really quick. Okay, so once you have it all trimmed out, you want to just kind of even it out to make sure there are no air bubbles, no wrinkles, anything like that. And then now you can see the foiling through it and just a little bit of an iridescent shine on it as well. That is really gorgeous. I can't wait to make some fun projects. Thankfully, she included 3 sheets, so next time I know not to drink a full cup of coffee right before filming so my hands aren't so shaky and I don't waste so much of the next time, but Yes, this was a really fun little project. I can't wait to do some more things with this. And as always, I save the best for last. We have this month's gorgeous pin. And if you are a collector who tracks the names and everything, all of the kit pins are named after the kit itself. So this is the Celebrate pin. So we've got full silver hardware, and then those colors that I loved so much from the kit, all of those are inside in the crystal mix. So pretty. Oh my goodness. I am in love with this color mix. Oh my goodness. I love this one. And of course, you also get your crystal VB pen ink refills with every month, so you're set with that. But if you go through these quickly, they're also available individually in the shop, and you can save on those with my code. That is VBDT Angelica 10, stands for Villa Beautiful Design Team Angelica, in case anybody was curious about that. And I will have that linked down in the description below as well, so you can write it down for later use. And that does it for this unboxing of the December Villa Beautiful Celebrate Kit. Don't forget to check out the shop for kit extras and join the Villa Beautiful Villa Babes Facebook group for more information on kit pre-orders, pin releases, and more. There are links and discount codes listed in the description below, as well as a link to my Instagram account if you'd like to follow me there and check out some of my Villa Beautiful layouts and projects. If you've made some projects using Villa Beautiful items or created layouts using the sticker kits, I'd love to see them in the Facebook group, so please be sure to share your photos there as well as on Instagram. I'm really interested in seeing what everyone does with the adhesive iridescent sheets from this month's kit. I hope you've all enjoyed watching, and also I have over a year's worth of past kits unboxings on my unboxing playlist if you're curious to see how Villa Beautiful has grown and what you can expect from this amazing shop month after month. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!